Hello again, this is Northwest Saws. It is Sunday, it's about midday, and we're up here in north central Idaho, up in the Clearwater mountain range, and doing a little bit of work today. Got nothing really better to do. So we're going to cut a little bit of this log out of a trail that's right in front of us here, move it back, and kind of do some cleanup work. Got a few other things that we're going to do out here today as well, but this is what we're going to be doing with the Stihl. This is Stihl 044, and this saw actually is for sale. I just did a full rebuild on it. Crank bearings, seals, piston rings, all new gaskets, rest pin bearing, well, the works. Pretty much everything on this saw has either been refurbished or replaced, and it is a good runner. And you can see right here we've got a good used 28-inch Oregon bar. It's got an excellent sprocket tip on it, and this is in 3/8. We've got some brand new Oregon 72 JGX, and that is full skip. You can see it's full skip here. Brand new cutters. And 3/8 pitch, and that's 0.050 gauge with drivers. Of course, I do have a couple other bars, a couple 20-inch bars that if you want I can throw on there. I unfortunately don't have any 25-inch bars. It's kind of ridiculous. You think I would, but I don't. So just putting the camera down here, and we'll go cut a few rounds off this old crusty piece of grand fir. Well, and there you have it. It's a good running little saw. There's nothing really too special about it. It's got stock porting. It's got the older slant fin type cylinder on it. But otherwise the port work is stock, other than polish the exhaust and it'd smooth out some casting imperfections on the intake. Other than that, muffler's also stock. So I think that's probably good enough for this. Thanks for watching, wherever you are. Enjoy the day, be safe, and have a good one.